morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nella, and I'm back with another weekly vlog. I think I look cute today. Oh my god.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send up pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right.
Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Well, it's more like afternoon because it's 1 p.m. and today is a Sunday, March 20th, and your girl is doing a little brew, not too much because energy's been low lately. So right about now I'm trying to push myself to get out. So I'm gonna dub this week self-care and reconnection week because I have not been feeling it. I have not been feeling the week. I have not been feeling myself. I have not been feeling anything lately. So it's all about self-care and taking care of myself, and also doing a little bit outside of my comfort zone. So today I'm at the Devon House, and I'm heading to a new restaurant. Well, or new to me. I don't know how new it is, and it's a restaurant that now serves crepes, you know, that French pastry. So I'm gonna try it. I'm meeting up with Vanessa, and so I'm gonna head there now. All right, I'll see you guys in the next clip.
For all time's sake. As time goes by.
Hey guys, so we're here at the Crepe House by Devon House, and we're gonna have some crepes.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it wrong, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Be down with what you go. Wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
The moment of truth. Time to taste test and see how I like it.
could be so babe.
right, guys, so we finish with crepe house. That's her name, crepe house, at Devon House. I got savory, so I got the ackee and saltfish crepe, and Vanessa got the banana and caramel crepe. And overall, I think it was okay. I didn't really love my crepe, to be honest. In my opinion, my most humble opinion, I think the crepe itself, the batter, it needs a little bit something extra, a little je ne sais quoi to add to the crepe to make it a little bit more flavorful. I know maybe it wouldn't be a traditional crepe, but it's Jamaican. We jerk everything and we add spice to everything. And I mean, crepe come from France, so I mean, they don't spice their foods like that. This is Jamaica. We need some spice. Not to sound racist, sorry, but y'all know that the poorly melanated don't season their foods like that. And whereas in Jamaica, we dash seasoning and everything. So I think it needed a little bit more like cinnamon or nutmeg or one of those little spices to add a little flavor to it. And then to make the thing more flavorful, especially because the crepe to filling ratio is so different. Like there's a lot more crepe than there is filling. You need a little something to, you know, entice the people. So that's just my most humble opinion. I'm not a food connoisseur, so I'm gonna hand it over to the food connoisseur, because if you guys don't know, Vanessa is a food blogger at What's New on the Menu, and you know, I'm a little small fry who just eat things and give you guys how I feel. So let me hand it over to the food connoisseur and see what she says. Okay, what you thought?
So I agree, the crepe itself could have gotten a little jazzing up, nutmeg, cinnamon, something to add that little kick. It's the same thing with pancake batter, it's the same thing with waffles. When you mix it, it's not just straight from the box. You're going to add a little rose water or almond flavoring or something, and then when you put that all in, the bananas they become softened because, you know, heat, and then you have the caramel flavor, so everything really just turned to mush within the crepe. I think another texture would have added that pop, and I understand that, and I'm suggesting something like nuts, but I understand that not everybody can tolerate nuts. You have no allergies, of course, but give it as an option or something, you know, to just add that little extra flavor. It was sweet. I got the, as Nella said, I got the banana caramel, and it was sweet, which I expected from the caramel and the bananas. But yeah, that little spice, that little something to just amplify would have just knocked it out of the park. It was just a regular experience for me.
There you have it, guys. That's our thoughts on crepe house. You can try it if you want. I'm not gonna knock it because they are small business, and I don't believe in knocking small businesses. I mean, I'm just giving you based on our taste and our taste profile. Who's to know, you might like it. So it's at Devon House. You can go and check it out. It's at the front as you enter, where you have those small shops. Like Bad Dog is right there as well, so you can just go check it out, try it out, and see, tell us what you think. Yeah, can leave it in the comments below if you've ever tried it, or if you've ever tried a crepe and what you think about crepes. Oh, right now though, we're in Portmore because apparently, so this has turned into a food outing. No, I intended to just get crepes, but Vanessa had asked me about a place in Portmore. It's a new Chinese restaurant. Chinese?
Not new.
It's not. So I looked at Vanessa and she said it's not new. So it's a new to me restaurant, because you guys should know I don't go nowhere lately. Like when you met me, I was doing road and tour in Jamaica while everybody else was inside. Now I'm not going nowhere. So it's a new to me restaurant called The Dragon. It's on Port Tennessee Road, you know, aka back road. It's the right turn before you reach the roundabout after you come off a back road, and after you pass the fishing village, then it's the right turn on Port Tennessee Road before you reach the roundabout. I don't know other instructions I can give you on direction, but that is about it. So you take the right turn and you come down the road till you reach the end of the road, and then you take the left at the end of the road and you're going to see one parking lot. looking place. Now, don't be afraid say it look like somebody's backyard, because goodly it is somebody's backyard, but it's how the place set up, and that is how it is. It's Jamaica. You should not be surprised that somebody's backyard is a big restaurant. Okay, so yeah, we're at the Dragon and we have a 4 o'clock reservation, and I'm going to hopefully, you know, everything happens at 4 because girl also has duty today at 8. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know, because this is the only time I go get out of my house. Once I'm out, I stay out, and then I have to go back home in time to go to duty at 8. Anyways, going to the restaurant, we meet up with some other creatives, some other travel, lifestyle, food bloggers. So when they reach, we'll show you and we'll tell you who is there. Anyways, yeah, that's the food venture for today. We're on a food venture. That's the pre. Why pre? That's the pre. Anyways, I'll see you in the next clip when we get out of the car. There's still 10 minutes left, so we're just sitting down and chilling and wait for everybody else to reach. Sorry for the lighting. Sun hot, the shade now providing a shading. The sun is doing what it's supposed to do, but the shade is not. So that is where we are, and that is what we're doing. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I try that thing. This is self-care week, and it's also week where I try to push myself to step out of my comfort zone, because I can't always be a hermit in my yard, in my bed. Outside, open up, so I have to try to something, you know, until it closes back, because y'all are going a little too wild. And guys, be careful on the roads, because people are drinking and crash and do all kind of things lately, and one little night and open up, the 2 little nights and open up, and then I gone havoc. Like, rest in peace to that good ass girl Lexi, because she was actually really funny and I really liked her content, and she just started her career starting to pick up, and other people are having accidents. The people that crash, there's so many accidents lately. I don't know what is going on with you guys. Calm down, slow down. You're done late already, so just be late. You're done late already, so I don't know what you're rushing for. Just go and be late and done. Show up fashionably late and make an entrance because you're a star, if that is the case. And if you're an early bird, be on time because you're respectful. But the speeding thing, breaking stoplights, unnecessary. Guys, just be safe on the roads, please. Thanks. Especially because all of these parties going on now, so be safe. Yeah, that would be great. All right, see you in the next clip.
Chef, and it might come from a good place.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, DT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Alright guys, so I've made it to work. Time to head in. Good morning guys. So I am post call, all in all, it wasn't a bad duty, truth be told. Wasn't bad. Never had too many patients come in the night. My morning just ended with an emergency. That is all. I had an emergency that I really had. Took up like an hour of my morning, but I mean, all in all, it wasn't a bad duty. So now I'm heading home to go get some proper rest. It's hard to get rest on duty for me personally, and it's not because, as I said, it's not because there are a lot of patients or anything like that tonight, but sometimes it's hard to get rest because you just stay in a level of anticipation of somebody or something coming, so you don't want to get too comfortable, you don't want to sleep too, tough or go too deep, because then somebody just wake you up till you sleep and you just grumpy or something, or you're disoriented a little. So yeah, trying to go get some proper rest and see my mans. Go see what my baby's up to. Poor thing. I have to leave him all night. Anyways, yeah, so that's it. I'm hungry AF right now though. Hungry. We'll see if I actually go make breakfast at home or anything. Alright. See you.
Around Europe. They can't go, so they expect you and your
Inside new Maybach coupe in the flooded jet. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lamp, sliding in the bin. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. See my brother sitting mud with me. My bitch is a 10, my daddy knew me, and I fucked at the win.
So yesterday I got my first callus. Look at this. I got 2 calluses on my hand. Jimin. I don't know if you guys can see it. Total disorder. No coffee order. No crossy bar. Hi guys. Brown and sweet, just like a chocolate. Splash, 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 splash. It's on the best, splash, 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 splash. Look at this. Look at this. So, I recently started. Look at this. Look at this. Look at my sunscreen that do want to blend out on my skin. Like, what is this? What is this? Imagine I've been going through the workday like this.
A little snobby. I like to rap again. Just my real hobby. Yeah, money in the chase, chasing don't stop it. I need the gross, same number as the profit.
It's not that I want you to hear. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my heart.
So I stopped by Fontana to try and get the black girl sunscreen because I'm a black girl and I wear sunscreen. And so I recently started using like, okay, so you guys know I wear sunscreen. You've seen it in my routine. You've seen it in my routine, so you guys know I wear sunscreen. And the one I was wearing was the Apple. Is it Apple? Okay, so this is Cafe Dolce's cake batch of rosé, by the way. Perfection. Anyways, right, yeah. I saw a tweet on Twitter that said that this is not a drill. Black girl sunscreen in Jamaica. So I took it myself and said, alright, I want to go. No, it was in the night and I was like, maybe I should like just get up and go because I know how Jamaicans are. Didn't listen. So first, yesterday I went to the Fontana in Barbican because, you know, I thought it was strategic because I know how the girls are. So I figured I'll go to the one in Barbican. A lot of people go there. I mean, a lot of people still go there, but not as many. Let me try to center this. Not as many as the people who go to the one on Waterloo. So I'm like, strategy. Let's go to the one in Barbican first. Right? Did not see it. I don't know if I'm looking the right aisle or what, but I didn't see it. So I said, alright, fine. I forgot Waterloo. Mind you, this tweet was 2 days later. Tell me why. Ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why. I got there today and it is empty. Y'all hoes took all of the black girl sunscreen already off the shelves. Like, you couldn't leave one for the girl. Haters. Don't like to see a black girl prosper. Haters gonna hate. Look at this. Like I said, y'all haters really cleared the shelf already. Like, y'all haters really cleared the shelf already. Couldn't believe it. Person said to check back tomorrow, but girl has stuff to do tomorrow because I'm on duty. I'm on duty tomorrow. So I don't know. Maybe I try again Friday. Anyways, I got my favorite cake. Carrot cake. Yeah, I know. Y'all are like, ew, but I love carrot cake. With cream cheese frosting. Delectable. Delicious. Delicioso! As my good girl Dora would say. Like, this is one of my faves. When I go to Cafe Dolce, get the carrot cake, one of their roses, and then when I'm feeling extra spicy, I get either the jerk pork panini or the pulled pork melt. I'm just like, oh god, delicious. Hey guys, so as you saw earlier, alright, yeah, my wrist is hurting me a bit, So I have on a wrist brace. It's only temporary. It's nothing serious. I'll probably take this off tomorrow. Won't wear it to work. But as you guys saw earlier, I went to Azan's to get some stuff, some homeware. So I'm just gonna show you what I got. So I got a classic bathroom essential, a plunger. You know, haven't really needed it yet, but there might be a day and I want to be prepared. I brought these detergent, make your clothes smell good. Put it down. Toilet bowl cleaners, make your toilet smell good. Sponge. Clorox wipes, disinfectant wipes. Actual baby wipes, cause y'all listen, y'all know baby wipes are the tea. Y'all know baby wipes are the tea. And I also bought pads. No, the pads aren't actually for me. These pads are my sister Ornika. Her organization is having a end period poverty drive, and so she asked me to, you know, donate and purchase some pads, tampons, anything to help end period poverty. So I'll list that for you guys, and if you want to contribute and participate, just link me. Let's go. You can leave me alone. If you want to participate, just link me. What else I bought? Oh, I bought a lint roller. More pads. And some kind of Scotch Brite version. Yep. And more wipes. So yeah, that is my little mini haul of homeware stuff that I bought. Stuff that are useful and beneficial in the household. As you can see, it's mainly bathroom stuff I bought, pretty much. Bathroom and laundry. Let me just pack these up. Hey guys, so today is Friday. Let me hide my little strap. Alright guys, so today is Friday, March 25th, aka payday in Jamaica if you work monthly or every 2 weeks. And let me tell you, traffic is terrible. I'm trying to get somewhere for 11:45. Tell me why I'm in this traffic and it's 11:52. No, this is ridiculous. Oh god, especially because it's somewhere I've never been before. So I'm trying a new brow place because brows need for dough, and I've heard about this person like on social media. First person I saw was a YouTuber. One of the YouTubers went to her, did her brows, and then one of the persons I went to the most recent time I heard about it is someone who I work out with at the gym. She was talking about her, so I decided, okay, let me give it a try. So I'm trying to head there, but this traffic is not even midday, and the midday traffic is already out. Anyways, hopefully I can get there before 11:55. I hate being late, especially it's a new place. I mean, I'm late a lot, but yeah, I really don't like it. Anyways, I don't even know. No thanks. So yeah, one of the people trying to clean the windscreen. My car needs for clean, but yeah, not really. Anyways, So yeah, I'm going to go. Today is a little bit of a self-care day because I am sore from the gym. Sore. My arms are hurting me. Check elbows. Oh, they're not actually. Yeah, my arms are hurting me. So I'm going to get my brows done, and then when I leave for my brows, I'm going to go and get a mani-pedi and a massage. The next thing was to do my hair, but my hairdresser clearly don't have no business sense, or I don't even know what's going on. But message her, ask her if she's available like I would normally do. She tell me say, oh, she moved from the place and she gonna give me somebody else number. Apart from the fact that she passing me off to somebody else, oh no, I don't get the number. So I need to get a new hairdresser. You know, if you guys know anybody. Yeah, so if you guys know anybody needing a new hairdresser, one of my coworkers gave me one, so maybe I'll try her. And then yeah, because my hair have to do stuff look like orphan, you know, the people them institution. It is not cute tool. Anyways, yeah, that's the plan. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I reach, and I'll get back to you in the next clip. Oh no, everybody, let's it. DJ girls, let it skip to my loop. Oh, skip to my loop. Hey, skip to my loop. Skip to my loop. No. No, please. Out of the sun, yo. Hey guys, so I'm here. I have just finished my spa treatment. I got some mani-pedi. Here are my nails. Can you see them? Like, I got a little. Maybe when I get home I'll try to show you guys better, but I got gel mani and I got a pedi. As you guys can see, my brows are done because I showed up late because of the traffic, and you know, myself, I have to blame myself, take personal responsibility because I showed up late. I wasn't I would have to be squeezed in, and then everybody else was coming up on time for their appointment, so I'd have to wait. So what I did is I rescheduled that brow appointment, because if I had stayed in longer, I would have been extremely late for my mani-pedi and massage. So I just say, you know what, the brows can do next week, and this week I'll just do my mani-pedi and my massage. I definitely need massage because I've been feeling so sore, so sore from all of the I've been feeling very sore from working out. Like I'm being pushed. Apparently I make things look easy. No, I am struggling. I just mentally tell myself, okay, if you have 10 reps to do, I'm just gonna do the 10 reps and that's it. But apparently I make it look easy. So I've been trying to gradually get me to push up in like the stuff that I'm doing. So I've been feeling I'm still a little sore from this week. But yeah, can you guys see my nails? Like, girl got her nails did. So yeah, brows next week, and hopefully my hair can be done next week. Can look like somebody pick me again. So yeah, I'm gonna head home now and actually maybe try and wash my hair, so you know, at least wash and detangle it. Ugh. Oh my god. And maybe give myself a mini at-home facial, because you know I have to save the budget, save the money somewhere. Because I can't give myself a massage, you know, so buy like a massage chair or something. And I can probably give myself the mani-pedi, but I don't want to do that. So facial it is. I can save money on my facial at least. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Head home and spend some time with my mains man. And Bridgerton is out, so I can have a Bridgerton binge watching session and catch up on season 2. Yeah, so that's about it for me today. I'm heading home and I'll see you guys in the next clip. I'll try to see, I have things to do, you know. I have work to finish, I have editing to do, I just have stuff to do. Like, yo, I'm out here pretending like I don't have things to do, and I do. I really do. Anyways, see you guys in the next clip, okay? Whenever that is. So here are the new nails.